Ralph just burning up a little bit of energy, going over to say hello to little Tango. Little Tango's had his big sleep from his photo shoot yesterday and he's ready to jump out and be a pack dog today. Good boy. Good boy. Little Tango leading the pack. Our favourite day, Sunday. All the dogs are out romping, hanging together as a pack and just having a great time. Very, very, very proud of my dog pack. All dogs are off lead. And like I keep saying, we're all hanging together as a pack.
Hi, hi, hi. Pizza. Idea. Good girl. Good girl.
She's overtaken him. Come on, Pete, set a girl. Come on.
Good puppies! Woohoo! And here comes Tess. Good girl, Tess. Little Tango, romping with the pack at 12 weeks old. Don't you love sharing?
Yeah.